This is how to create a Facebook page. We're going to download a Facebook. If you don't have it, go to Play Store, then search Facebook. Once you search a Facebook, you download the app. See the app, I've already downloaded my own. Then you open it. Once you open it, see what we do. Once you open it, press on your profile, which is this one. Just press on it. Once you press on it, then look up here. You will see your profile up here. Just touch on it. Once you touch on it, you will see group, see memories, see reels, see find friends, and also see page, which is this one. You're going to press page. Once you press page, you are going to create a page. If you want to earn money from Facebook, then press create, which is this up one. Press create. Once you press create, you will see create your page. A page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business and professional brand and organizations. You are going to press started, get started, which is this one. Press on get started. You are going to put in your business name or your page name. Let me use Mark. Let me use Mark as my business name or my page name. Then you are going to press next. Press next. Okay, plus page names that are too bold are not allowed. Try again. Okay, let me use Jellywiz. Let me use Jellywiz. Let me use Jellywiz. Jellywiz. Then you are going to press next. Press next. Then you are going to then write up what category best describe Jellywiz. Which what are you going to do in your page? Let me use comedy. Let me use comedy. So all those things you are going to put in all those things. Make sure you put in all those things. Comedy. You are going to put in three. Let me use comedy. Use good heads. Then use. Let me use this one also. Then you are going to press create. Press create. Put it up. You see it. Then you have created your page. See what you will do. What best describe your goals? We will use this to help you finish setting up Jellywiz. It could change your access to all of your page features. So you are going to use this one, promote your products and services, best of companies, charities and other organizations. So it's all about let me say this page is all about comedy. Then we are going to choose this one down here, create a content and connect with fans. That is what the one we are going to choose, which is this one. Then you press continue. Once you click on it, press continue. Then you are going to choose in the profile you want to use. So you have created your page. You see it. Let me use any profile for mine because this video is for tutorial. Let me use any profile for my page. Let me just use any profile for it. Let me use any profile. Let me just use this one. We have created a page like this. It's not that much hard. Then press next. Press next. Network is bad. Wait for it to open. Wait for it to open. You see it. You have created a page. Just press continue. Keep pressing continue. You see it. Then press continue again. Press done. You see it. You have created your page. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and also share this video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, please. For more video, turn on the bell for you to get more notification on this my platform. So it's not that hard to create. You see it. Thank you all.